already started some of the prep. Oh, my child is very loud in the background. So I'm gonna be doing a quiche, and then hopefully I have enough time to do a hash brown type situation just to kind of round this meal out. But yes, for our Mother's Day brunch, I am going to do some type of a quiche. So what I like to do is I like to use Pinterest, just to kind of get some ideas for a recipe. And like that's basically with any recipe, you basically just go in here and just type in whatever you're looking for. So obviously for today, I typed in quiche recipes. I kind of like already have an idea of what I want to do, but I haven't made a quiche in so long that I figured it wouldn't hurt to just kind of look up a recipe just to get a guideline. So ham and cheese is like a really popular one. I've actually made ham and cheese quiche several times. You can swap out ham for bacon, and that tastes really yummy too. I like that they have some here with like in vegetable ingredients, excuse me, like spinach, broccoli. Funny thing is I've never done broccoli. I think I have done spinach in the past. But yeah, so this is kind of just my process sometimes when I'm just trying to get an idea for a recipe, in particular recipes that I have not cooked in a while. Sometimes I kind of just need a guideline, just something to kind of help me along. I'm gonna go ahead and prep the other ingredients, which is scallions and bacon that has already been fried up. I just need to chop it. All right. Here's another tip. If something is a little hard to cut with a chef's knife, you can always use kitchen shears, okay? Kitchen shears make cutting very easy. Yeah, sure, you can have a little bit of bacon. Oh, I know, who doesn't?
I like big bacon. I want 2 bacon.
Here, little girl.
I want 2 bacon.
There, you can have that. This is going into the meal.
No meal.
All right, so here are all the prepped ingredients: the scallions, the Colby and cheddar jack mix, and some chopped up bacon. So I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling.
My daughter has made the bestest breakfast in the whole wide world. And a mimosa. Okay, happy Mother's Day. Let's hold hands. Mommy gonna say grace.
I want
Put
to.
my flowers right here, like, oh yeah, over there. Okay, let's say grace. There's no acting bad today. Yeah, my table is, oh my God.
God is great. God is good. Let us thank Him for our food.
And bless the
Amen.
cook who made this wonderful, wonderful
Thank
brunch.
you.
Amen and amen.
Thank you for allowing us to see another Mother's Day.
Another
together.
Mother's, yeah.
All right. Amen. You gonna say amen?
Amen.
She like not to
Whatever,
say.
Naya. You sure? Girl, you put your foot in this boat. She put her foot in this boat. I can't even get it out.
This is not even a restaurant.
Yeah.
So she filled it right in. This ain't
No
no restaurant.
restaurant, and I'm gonna serve you, madam. More salt, more pepper. No, you do it. You put your touch. Missing it. Trust. No restaurant could make it any better. Not one. Two. Pour the champagne orange juice at the same time. Then it's the color. Once the orange juice get a
Like a little
pinkish.
Like, yeah.
So see, this is a rose, and you're supposed to use. Oh, I don't want to do that in the recording. But what you have to say? I was getting ready to do and go there.
You was about to let out a
Yeah, when I looked at the camera, then I said, okay, I can't do that.
Listen.
I was getting ready to do and go there.
Be yourself. Yo, this right here good.
Yeah.
Give me
Pinky.
That's right. I know how much you like green onions too.
I don't like green onions.
So why do they call green onions scallions? Which is
I don't
correct?
even know why.
Is it green onions or is it scallions?
They're so pretty. I just like.
Anaya, leave the balloon, please, Mama. Over here, so don't.
Why do they call green onions also scallions?
Yeah. I mean, is that the
That's a good question.
proper name?
I don't know.
Yeah, we just take
They
a
just got a dual name. They got a dual name. I don't know. That's one of the. That's one of the only vegetables like that.
But you know
I have a
something?
double.
It's like when you read recipes and things, it'll say scallions. When you go into the store,
It's
they'll
like
all say
green onions.
I've never seen a scallion sign. Never. Not one time.
Okay, we're bringing up something quite interesting here.
Recipe is scallions. This guy cut scallions. I'm holding on. And I wouldn't have thought of this. So very good. This to do this. To make this.
Yeah.
No, I wouldn't.
Yeah, you know, when I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do like a little Mother's Day
You
brunch.
said you were gonna do a mimosa. I said, how you what?
Yeah, I was like, we should do something mimosas.
Okay. Perfect.
That tastes good.
Perfect.
That tastes real good.
Finally used the
Yeah, she boycotting it. So she don't do it. Boycotting my quiche, so.
lush. This is French. Did this originate?
A quiche, yes, quiche is French.
I don't want no more. I want number 8.
We know.
Yeah, we ate your eggs, boo.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
So you can do
This is it, though. I can't eat no more.
Yeah, well, this is my second right here, so I can't totally.
Put in your ankles.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here's the card.
Yours is on the thing.
I still gotta sign yours.
Okay. Anaya, you gave me a favor. Appreciate you. Don't open it. It's not for you. It's for mommy.
Okay, open it. Can you open it for me?
Okay, let
Stand
mommy.
right here. Stand right
Yeah,
here.
come here so we can read it. Mommy can read it to you. And you gotta change your face though, because that face can't go over there.
That remind me of Housewives, and Nene and Sheree would get into it all the time, and she'd be like, fix that face.
Who was her? That was her daughter?
She ain't gonna fix that face. And then you gotta fix your face. You gotta fix that face.
Yeah, their
Where's
face.
that bow?
Who is the doll?
Right. It says the
Agreed.
best thing about having a daughter like you.
She's my daughter. You're my granddaughter. Daughter. But go
Dear
ahead.
Carmel, well, the best thing about having a daughter like you is that there are so many best things. Happy Mother's Day.
Look, she mad now. She
Oh my love, Mom, she's that rude. Very rude. Don't get shy now. She said, Happy Mother's Day. That thing you just asked.
Everyone, we were gonna do something, so I
Can we eat your cornbread? You want cornbread?
These are getting bigger and bigger.
Yes.
No, I want it. I think it's by you and me.
The rice could have cooked a little longer.
I was just gonna say, I'm not used to
How long
brown
did
rice.
How long did it
Think
go
it's
for?
saying like,
How long did it go for?
20 minutes.
think it's saying like,
20?
Mm-hmm.
Ma, that's why it's hard. Remember, brown rice gotta be
that's
double.
like fish.
It was supposed to be like
fish.
45.
Guys, guys,
And now I'm glad I put this on camera.
guys.
You know
What
what?
makes you
I'm
think
confused.
20? 20 is 20, that's for white rice. Remember, brown rice it was double, it was more? What was that?
Guys,
Girl, I entrusted you,
Excuse
girl.
me.
And I'm like,
I know, me too. Look, I do it.
I was like,
No.
it's a little, it ain't like
Mom.
crunchy, but
I think I was supposed to do 40.
that's what I just
Mom.
said. It's supposed to be double.
Mom,
Brown rice, it's like, the grain is just, I don't know, something about that grain. It just takes longer. It needs more time to cook.
Grandma,
Girl, y'all see this?
Grandma,
I trusted this
Grandma.
lady.
I don't do brown rice, sorry.
Grandma.
I do long grain and mild. Yes, Anaya.
Yes, guys.
You know what? My brain just been looking. I turned 20.
I know it, guys.
Double. Remember you said the last time you made it, you was like, man, I didn't realize it would take so long. And I'm like, yeah, brown rice takes longer.
I forgot.
It's alright, boo. You did go on this asparagus though.
I'm gonna mess everything up.
Oh my god. Wow.
Brown rice.
Even this is why I use recipes sometimes just as a guideline, because sometimes you need that extra reminder. If you would have had something in front of you that
I
said,
should have went and looked at the bag. So see, I dumped
Yes,
it into
yes.
the container. I'm not stop taking it, please. I know my
because something in your brain told you something that wasn't true, you got confused.
Yeah.
So, which happened.
I was like, oh, 20 minutes, 22.
You thought you was cooking white rice. Rice.
Sorry.
Okay, but luckily, luckily I don't have, like, some people are like textural eaters.
Mm-hmm.
If something is too,
Off.
yeah, they wouldn't be messing with it. But me, I'm like, like I can tell it ain't right.
I was hoping you would notice. That's why I didn't say no. I said she don't notice. So I'm noticing it.
Yeah, I was like, okay, sweetheart.
You done jacked up the rice.
Sweetheart, how long you cook this rice for?
After 20 minutes, and you said,
Sweetheart, 20 minutes? Oh no.
yeah, brown. I gotta get used to brown rice. We got all that brown rice.
Mother's
in there.
Day, oompa, it's okay. Shit happens, right?
Yeah,
All the time.
quite often.
All the time. This fish though and the salmon though?
I think that's asparagus.
Ain't that what I said? I said this fish though. I meant the asparagus. What did I say?
You said this rice.
No, this rice. We already discussed the rice.
Yeah, the rice is
But this salmon is on point, and the asparagus as well.
Is.
It's what made you do 3? 1, 2, 3.
Which one?
Her hair.
You know what? I thought it was cute.
It is.
I just felt like switching it up.
She was
Girl, you know this child on her hair, Amy. Oh, Jesus.
Oh my god, you ate the fucking.
Don't
Wait,
choke.
there's one more thing.
Don't choke. You need me to hit your back. All right, so how did you enjoy Mother's Day?
Good. It was so good.
Right? It was pretty nice.
Yeah, it was pretty nice.
And this is kind of like an extension of your birthday, yeah? So tell them, how was your birthday?
Hi guys, my birthday was so fun, and my cupcake was so delicious.
Yes, we did an awesome
And
job.
we put pink sugar on it, and it
We
was
did, and sprinkles.
And guess what, guys? I got a shark toy because it's in Mommy's closet, and I have Candyland, and I have a Barbie toy because it's so fun. But I kind of put slime everywhere on it. It's so sticky when I put the slime on it.
All right, we're going off on a tangent.
Wait.
So-
Guys, can I tell you something? Just with my microphone.
Hope
okay?
everyone had a safe and blessed Mother's Day, okay, guys?
The Bluetooth device
Oh my
is
God,
ready
why
to
would you
pair.
turn that on?
Sorry.
This is what you
I
go
did
through
it.
when you
I did.
live
Sorry,
with
sorry,
a
sorry.
5-year-old.
I know. I love it.
See you next time.